Welcome, crypto fam, to the #1 daily Bitcoin pod. Bitcoin smashed $69,000 today. Make some motherfucking noise for that. In today's show, I'll be sharing the latest technical analysis as well as breaking news. Vladimir Putin says BRICS will adopt digital currencies for investments. Let's go. Also, Bitcoin whale accumulation mirrors 2020 trend where the biddy rallied 550%. As well as MicroStrategy set for gains. Don't fear the premium. According to analysts, we'll also be discussing the latest from Anthony Pompliano, revealing key catalysts for the next Bitcoin bull run, as well as Real Vision crypto analyst says one catalyst can trigger Bitcoin explosion above 500,000 per coin. We'll also be discussing the key reason for Bitcoin to hit $220,000 very soon, shared by Max Keiser. That's right. He also recently tweeted, Bitcoin God candle on deck. Infinite demand meets extremely limited supply. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. All this plus so much motherfucking more in today's show, yo. What's crack-a-lackin'? You got caffeinated JV with the 12 ounce of the caffeine today. Make some noise. What's poppin'? What's crack-a-lackin'? Welcome to the stream. Happy 69 G's. And we're streaming live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. Spread the word. Let people know we're live. I'm going to be streaming for the next couple of hours. TGIF. It's time. New all-time highs in play, fam. This is the moment we have been waiting for years. It's finally here. Yeah, I mean, Q4, October, in full effect.
Oh my gosh, it's finally almost here. JV is going to talk to us. Crypto news is near. I can't stand waiting. There is no debating. I waited all day, maybe I need a life. But Bitcoin is all I can think about day and night. Hurry, JV!
Let's go. Welcome everyone on the live stream. Greg, Nashoba, Fairground, Cornwall, England. This is live and interactive. Let me know where you're tuned in from. We're also going to be doing a react session to the new Tuttle Twins. So I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be a jam-packed session here today, yo. Straight pure bullishness. In the past 5 trading days, 2.1 billion has inflowed into the Bitcoin ETFs. Something has to give. Damn straight. Welcome, Knoxville. Good to see you, Greg. Shout out to the one and only Oracle. Shout out to Chandy 10 Music, #1 Bitcoin music channel. Make some noise for that. Shout out Max Keiser. Always appreciate the repost, brother. And we do have a live poll right now on the tube. When Bitcoin all-time high, October, November, bull, December, or I should say December, or January. When's the new alt? Is it this week? Maybe this weekend. We may be doing pump watches this weekend, family. It's hard to believe there are just back to 69 and we hit it in November of 2021. I know. It's like deja vu. It was November 10th of 2021. I remember it like it was yesterday because I was at my mom's house when we hit it. Yeah, I mean, and here we are like 3-4 years later. Good afternoon, Steve. Welcome to the live stream. I'm going to be checking the X feed throughout the stream. Anyone who reposts or comments the stream is going to get reposted and shouted out. There's my proof of work. Shout out Alan D. I appreciate it, brother. Just reposted ya. I am following you, and anyone who supports the stream, I support y'all. God Candle incoming, 69 G's. Thank you, Oracle. Our one and only JC. Shout out Cal Beans. Good to have you here on the live stream. Let's go. God Candle incoming. Thank you, Steven. Crypto Surge, Shuli. Thank you, guys. And again, thank you, Max Keiser. Always appreciate your repost, brother. Frank Cowson and the rest of the fam. I'm going to be checking the X feed throughout the entire stream. The longer the composite operator tries to hold the lid on the biddy, the pressure cooker, the bigger the explosion. Yeah, a great metaphor for that is one of those beach balls with a lot of air. Try putting it in the pool. The more you pull it down, it's inevitable. It's going to go boom. Kabiddy boom. That's just how we do. Shout out South Africa in the building. Good to have you here, brother. Welcome, everyone, joining the live stream. Again, I'm going to be streaming for the next couple of hours. We're going to be doing a live react session to some new, Tuttle Twins. A lot of goodness today in the markets. I mean, everyone is bullish again. It's that season. Shout out Petri. Appreciate it. And shout out Adam Taylor, chilling with JV live now and in the flesh. Again, I got 12 ounces of caffeine, and it's still hot. So you're in for a real treat today, I'm telling you. Let's go, baby. I see the big numbers up. Amen. Big numbers, yo. Send it. Let's go. But Yeah, 69 G's is pretty lit. The Tuttle Twins were at the Swan Bitcoin, that's right, Moonstone. They screened one of their animated shorts. Very cute and great for the kids. Agreed. And we're going to be doing a react session to their latest one. So shout out Swan Bitcoin. Shout out Michael Hicks. Good afternoon. And we're back at my favorite time slot, 4 p.m., starting this entire week. This whole weekend we'll be going live 4 p.m. We may be doing some pump watches this weekend as well. I mean, I get very excited when we're on the cusp of price discovery, which is currently sitting at 73.8. We're only a couple of percentage points away from history, family. DNA Noonan, love your work, brother. Keep it going. Never say die. Amen to that. Thank you, DNA. Just reposted your brother. I'm going to be reposting everyone throughout the entire stream, so show your boys some love. Much appreciated. But anyways, let's get right into it. If you're new to the channel, very important to smash the likes. Then go ahead and subscribe. This is the #1 daily Bitcoin pod, hands down. And hit the bell icon. Turn on all notifications, especially if you appreciate caffeinated JV. You feel me? But anyways, today is pod episode 1781. I'm your host, JV. It's October 18th, 2024. Happy TGIF. That's right, a little weekend pumpage. We just recaptured $69,000 after a hell of a long sideways trading action, so it is time. Let's kick it off with our market watch. You're looking at Coin 360, the Biddy, up 2.5% on the day, maintaining above 68.6. Again, we already captured 69. We have ETH up 2%. All the major alts pumping in the green, something we love to see. And checking out coinmarketcap.com. The current crypto market cap sits at $2.35 trillion. Bitcoin, $1.355 trillion. We got roughly 78 billion worth of volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance sits at 57.8% as the dominance continues to decline at 13.6%. How high would the Bitcoin Dom likely climb? Let me know. And checking out top 100 crypto gainers in the top 100, we have Ondo. It kind of rhymes with Hundo a little bit. Anyways, it's up 13%. WorldCoin up 11%, and Beam up 10%. Below that, we have the rest of these alts in the green. Let me know which alts, if any, you're bullish on for the bull. And checking out the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles say 90 to 95% of the market in the green. Lovely sight. And checking out the monthly, very similar story. 90 to 95% of the market in the green and pumping. And checking out the crypto greed and fear index, one of our favorite metrics, shows us a 73 in greed. Yesterday, 71. Last week, a 32. And last month, a 45 in fear. And checking out the Timechain calendar, we have 183,759 blocks yet to go into the next halving in 2028. I can't wait. We're currently on block 866,241, and you can currently exchange $1 of that Tulip Monopoly money for 1,452 Satoshis. So stack them stats accordingly. I meant just a few days ago, you could have got 1,800 stats per dollar. Today, you're down to 1,400. It's only going to continue to go down and down and down and down and down until one stat's a dollar. And by that time, Bitcoin will be 100 million per coin. So let that sink in. Welcome, everyone. Just joining the stream. What's crack-a-lackin'? 69 major resistance. And speaking of 69 G's,
we've been climbing, aim for $1 million climaxing, never stopping. Bitcoin is rising. We already hit 67K, and now we're...
That's right. AI is the answer, but we ain't talking about artificial intelligence. We're talking about Allen Iverson. Shout out to the throwback. You already know, family. You guys are too smart. The combination made my thumbs bleed. Yeah, this is super caffeinated, JV. This is JV with a double. Let's go.
Aim up, at that 69 speed G spot rocket taking off. Everybody
69 G's, baby. A little proof of work action, Jackson. Thank you, Diana Jones. Best crypto news live. Much appreciated. Just reposted ya. Shout out Satoshi Cartel, running the cartel for the Satosh. And shout out to the Nibinator. If you ain't hit the like for the Nibinator, what are you doing? Back at the very best time slot. Agreed, Diana, because we get the best of both worlds for the West Coast. It's not like 6 a.m. or something. You know what I mean? JB, you need a cup up. You need to step up your game. I graduated to a 40 ounce. Good Lord. The only 40 ounce I ever drank was malt liquor as a child. You remember, like, when it's cool to drink is before you're of legal age? I remember those 40 ounces. Actually, let me correct myself. I think 40 ounces were illegal at that time in Florida, so I think there were 32 ounces. Malt liquor. It was like 99 cents a bottle. You'd have to pay the homeless man to get the bottle. He'd buy it for you. You just buy him a couple of drinks. Win-win. Anyways, My toes are cold. Oh no, what are you going to do about that? Maybe put on some socks. Do you think we're going to get the God candle in November? Yes, a God candle is only $10,000. We're easily going to get that here in Q4. I don't know if it'll be November, but I like to believe so. We'll soon find out. We're here. It is Q4 in full effect. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? And when will we hit the Bitcoin all-time high? Let me know. That OE. That's right, Stephen. The OE, the old English. That's how we did it back in the days. Yeah, I mean. Anyways, a little bit of and some Hennessy got me ready to set it with kinetic energy. See, I need a lot more energy than my enemies if I want to